Hey, while we have you here, make sure that you head over to getmyfreecrypto.com and get the free airdrop masterclass that'll show you all kinds of new places that are giving away free crypto right now. There's literally no investment needed other than an email address. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a comment in one of the videos because each Wednesday we choose a new Wednesday winner in the comments to give away more free crypto to.
Hello everybody, Jason Moffatt here with
David Tatera,
and welcome to cryptotutorials.org. We created this channel because, like many people, we got totally sucked into crypto about 4 months ago, and during the process it was super confusing, very frustrating, very profitable, thankfully.
Yeah, we hit it a good time for sure, but we made a lot of mistakes along the way, spent money that we didn't need to spend on fees, and just learned a lot of lessons on how to actually be able to buy the crypto that we wanted. A lot of times even just errors and problems getting the software to work,
Totally. I would call David constantly like, how do I do this, dude? And like, thankfully David's super smart about a lot of this. So he started recording just some different tutorials kind of showing like, hey, peek over my shoulder. I'm going to show you how I use PancakeSwap or how I transferred this to BNB and whatnot. And we're in Hawaii, so we're a little limited on some of the exchanges we can use. And we just found all these all these pitfalls and roadblocks and just crap.
It just was a lot more difficult than we expected. And really quickly we realized we weren't the only ones. That a lot of people onboarding to crypto were finding the same thing, whether they were trying to buy on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or whether they didn't understand, the difference between BNB and Smart Chain, all these little nuances. So we realized it made a lot of sense to help them out.
Totally. So obviously we are not financial advisors, or we don't have any plaques behind us or anything like that.
No investment degrees, no acronyms at the end of our names. It's not investment advice we're giving.
Yeah, but what we have done is just kind of documented our journey, and David put together this amazing masterclass at getmyfreecrypto.com. You can either go to that URL or there'll be a link down below in the description where he shows you all of these airdrops that happen where people give away free crypto.
It's amazing. I couldn't believe it. Things like last year, Uniswap, they gave away 400 tokens just to test out the platform. If you had bought those 400 Uniswap tokens and held them for 1 year, you're talking 15, 16 grand in crypto, completely free. You would have paid nothing for any of these coins. And there's literally hundreds of crypto airdrops going on every month. But along with it, there's a lot of scams. So that's why I explained to you all the security pitfalls you need to watch out for. You literally get to watch over my shoulder as I go. I seek out a couple different airdrops. I actually go and fill out all the paperwork and do everything you need to get them. So there's no reason that you cannot do this and start getting free crypto every single week.
Yeah, so while we don't feel very comfortable giving you specific advice like, hey, buy this or buy that or invest in this, we don't mind saying, hey, go grab some of this free stuff and test it out. Totally. So that's getmyfreecrypto.com. Make sure that you hit the like button down below. Subscribe to this channel because you never know when we're going to come up with another tutorial. We're making them constantly because every time we learn something, we're like, let's turn that into a video. And if you have any questions or any problems that you're having, let us know in comments.
Please.
We'll take your questions and turn them into videos if we know how to do it. And if we don't know how to do it, we can always lean on some of our other buddies that do know how to do it and show you those as well. Anything else you got to say?
No, I think that's it. Just grab that airdrop masterclass. You guys will love it. Get some free crypto. And please, I am constantly scanning the comments that are there and helping people find the solution, because I know how frustrating and how many hours people spend banging their heads against the wall trying to buy a particular coin. So please put it in the comments. Please put a question in there. I definitely respond to them all the time. I know that's something we love to do, is engage with everybody.
So sweet. Links are down in the description down below. We have connections to any of our other social media properties as well. If you're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever,
Everything, yeah.
Come join us. And thanks a lot.
Aloha.